Good morning, guys, and welcome to the shop. So today on this episode, I want to get this console installed. I've already taken it apart, cleaned it up, painted a few things. Yeah, I think it's ready to go in. First thing we've got to do is this bracket here has to be mounted to the dash. This is what that attaches to up at the dash. So let's get set up at the truck and we'll see if we can get this installed. So here in the truck, this piece, it has those captives, well, I guess you'd call that some sort of guide of some sort. Looks like it goes right about there. Yeah, it looks like it lines up. And then there's 2 bolts there and 2 bolts down at the bottom. So let's see if we can get those in here. I'll tell you what, I'll set you up over here so you can watch. All right. Now let me get the console out here and in the approximate location. And I guess these bolts here attach it to that. So I guess that's a 10, metric 10. So let me grab a driver for that. I'll get that console in here and see if we can bolt it down. This may go easier than I thought. All right, stand by. So there it is, just loosely in. It goes through the same bolt holes as the seat, so I've just got those temporarily in there for now. But it does have, let me see if I can show you down there, those 2, where we pulled these bolts out earlier, will go in there and there. So let me set you up and I'll get that run in. And then I think the console's in. That was very easy. But let's get this in there first. Let's see if we can get these bolts in down here. There was one wire down there that went to the cigarette lighter that I went ahead and plugged back in. I don't have any power plugs like that in the truck anymore. What I did was replace them all with USBs, but I'll show you that in just a sec. Let me get this cinched down right here. All right, so that is that. The only thing I need to do is going to be to run, this USB-C here will tie into the radio so that I can charge my phone and I'll be able to play music off of my phone through the stereo. But let me figure out how to get this back up into the radio area. Okay, I don't know how much you guys can see anyway, so let me pause and get that pushed through there, and then I'll bring you back. It is all the way in. I got that USB cable pulled all the way up into the radio area, so that's ready to go now. Like I was telling you, instead of having any, I think they call them power adapters now instead of cigarette lighter plugs, but I replaced this one with a USB-C, and I'll be able to plug my iPhone into there to play music off of my phone and charge my phone. And then this one over here has a USB-C and a USB A. I think that's an A. But yeah, that one will work off of the. It doesn't get power unless the ignition is on. And I also, back here in the back, let me see if I can get you back here. It came with a I think it was climate control here for like a Yukon or something. But I found where someone was making these little trays. So I got one of those. And then down here is another power plug. I don't know if you can see it right there. Let me see, right there. And swapped it out with a USB plug there as well for charging. So yeah, I'm happy to have that. These things are not easy to come by. And Lord knows they're an arm and a leg as well. Everybody's, I think, if you have one, people are overcharging for it. So be careful there. I think this one wasn't as in nice a condition as it should have been for what I paid. But I was able to fix whatever was whatever I had found wrong. A couple of features here I like is I couldn't stand the cup holder being on the floor the way it was. So I'll be so happy to have that up closer to me there, as well as more area to hold crap. I went ahead and cleaned this out here as well, so nice place for more junk. But it is what it is. But yeah, I may go ahead and put the seats in. I don't know why I wouldn't be able to put the seats in and still be able to get the dash. I might could go ahead and put that lower dash in. Well, I may as well leave it out, because I've got the stereo system is going to have a backup camera. So there's a cable that's got to be ran to the back of the truck, and then it's got a mic cable. It's got to be ran up here to the center console. So I think those will be a lot easier to route and tie up if I don't put the dash back in. But I may go ahead and put the seats in and get that part out of the way. Something to think about. Anyway, that's done. Yeah, next up I've got to get these speakers are bad. All of my speakers are bad in all four doors. So next time we'll get all that taken care of and replaced. And this is turning into almost a new truck. Anyway, thank you so much for coming by the shop, spending this time with me and watching my videos. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.